Hello everyone. My name is Teacher Erica from English Across the World. Welcome to our English Grammar for Beginners course. Be sure to click subscribe below to be notified as soon as each weekly lesson is available. So let's begin. Today we will discuss indefinite articles and demonstrative pronouns. In other words, a and an, and this and that. A and an are used when we are talking about one object, one thing. And it's general, not a specific thing. An is used when that object starts with a vowel sound. What is a vowel? We have 5 vowels in the English alphabet. They are A, E, I, O, and U. So when we are talking about an object that begins with one of these letter sounds, we have to use an before the noun. For example, an alien, an ear, an ice cream, an oven, an umbrella. We can also use an if we are using an adjective before the noun that starts with a vowel. An excellent grade, an angry man. Now let's move on to the article a. We usually pronounce this as a. So you will usually hear a plus a noun, not a. We use this article when we are talking about a noun that starts with a consonant. What is a consonant? A consonant is any other letter of the English alphabet that is not a vowel. For example, a tree, a leaf, a boy, a woman, a cat, or when the adjective before the noun starts with a consonant, like a brave man, a pretty girl. Now let's talk about demonstrative pronouns, or this and that. These pronouns are used when we are talking about an object that is either close or far away. If something that you are talking about is close to you, close enough where you can touch it, then we use this. If something is far away and you cannot touch it, then we use that. Let's practice. This is a pen. This is an apple. This is a book. This is an open book. That is a shirt. That is an orange shirt. Do you remember your subject pronouns from lesson 1? She is a happy woman. He is An angry man. Do you remember the verb that we practiced in our last lesson? To have? Let's practice using this verb to show belonging. I have a cookie. I have an idea. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And don't forget to keep practicing.